Going to join me this morning on a little trip just along the River Thames today. No town centre, no shops, just nature, hopefully, and not too busy because it's quite early in the morning. And I'm taking my little compact Leica camera with me. Take a few shots, a few photos. Anyway, take care everybody, and I'll see you all soon. Bye. I'm in Staines-upon-Thames, what you call the town square. So I'm just going to show you this Victorian Town Hall with its listed phone boxes. It was used for the movie Gandhi. They use the inside, I think, for a courtroom scene. Built about 1890. There's been various things in there. It's been a club. I'm not sure if it was a theatre at one time. And now it's all flats in there now. So I'm going to take a little walk. Not the high street today. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. No, we're going to go along the river today to the Lammas Park. Well, there's a little bit of Staines history for you. That's what it's like at the side. It's a beautiful building. They have kept it, the outside, the exterior, but I don't know what's going on inside. Anyway, see you later. Good morning, hello. Okay, bit of a, I know, it's a graveyard. St Mary's Church, and apparently that tower there was designed by Inigo Jones, designer. I don't know what date, 16th, 17th century, but the rest of it isn't old, just the tower. Anyway, we're having a little wander down Staines Conservation Area. And today, if you can see it, I've got my little compact camera with Leica lens, basic Leica inside really, although it's a Panasonic Lumix, but that cottage there, I was nearly bought that one just there, but I thought buy a pub, a bit noisy. Anyway, we're going to walk down here. This is the conservation area part of Staines, with some beautiful Georgian houses, and this old building here, well, house here, with this lovely wisteria actually across the road. I'll take a picture later, but this came from Japan about 1880 or something. Let's look at it, it's just taken over the house. So, I'm going to take a little wander down here, look at some of these beautiful houses. That's gorgeous, that one, Georgian, and some I think even earlier, of like coach houses. That's a lovely house. I've decided not to go into town today. Oh good, there's a post box, I've got to post a card. It's a lovely garden. Sunflowers. I love sunflowers. We're not going to go all the way down because it leads into a very busy old Staines town. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of the roll, basically. This is, I love this one here. I think Bosun's Cottage or something. I think it's been totally renovated now. But look at that small door. Incredible. And if you go all the way down there, leads you to the busy town centre, which we're not going to today. So, just carry on down here. River Thames there. And through those bushes and trees, Church Island. Only accessible by a little footbridge. Houses on there. And this is some of the Thames path here. I'm walking today. I thought take a little stroll with nature this morning instead of a busy, crazy town centre.